Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adobe, and if this is the first time of you seeing my channel, you are welcome. In this my channel, I vlog about my experience as a black foreigner here in China. My family and I are traveling to Guangzhou, so we bought a sleeper ticket. This is a 19 hours journey. The journey will not be easy. In this vlog, I'll be showing you what it is to be a foreigner in a Chinese train, the experience we had on the train, and we weren't the only foreigners in this train. We saw a Pakistani. We will also be discussing with him so that he will tell us his own experience on the Chinese train.
哪个国家？
我是尼日利亚的。
叙利亚。
是的，听说过吗？
听说过。
是属于非洲的国家是吧？
是的，是的。
非洲。尼日利亚。
哎，你中文说的特别的好。
还可以。
你们上哪去？
我去广州。
广州。
是的。
你们是旅游呢，是在哪？
是的，是旅游的。
旅游玩的哈。
One good thing about living in China is that once you live in China, you realize how easy it is to socialize with people. Chinese people are generally friendly and welcoming to foreigners. You're excited. Why are you so excited? You're excited. Oh yeah. Another good thing I love about the train is the continuous cleaning. The train was so neat throughout our journey. Inside the train, they also have train attendants who sell beverages from the carts.
这是啤酒，
它是男孩女？女孩。
这好玩。
一瓶多少钱
？10块钱。
然后呢，这是什么？
这是花生米。它叫什么名啊？
Because my native language also have tone marks just like Chinese language, so pronouncing my daughter's name was so easy for her.
那个8块。
Earlier on the train, I told you about another foreigner on the train with us, so you can see him drinking and discussing with Chinese people. So when I tell you that generally Chinese people are friendly, I guess you understand what I mean by now.
多钱了？还有最后4盒了，全部优惠，谁买谁合适。
On the train, they also have a train attendant who sell food. Just in case you are hungry, you can easily buy food from them and eat. Another thing you have to understand about the train is that once it's 10:30 p.m., the light goes off. This is to enable the passengers have a good night rest. At this point, please don't forget to support our channel by just clicking on the subscribe button to join our beautiful and big family. Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Justin here. I'm from Pakistan.
Okay. Okay, this is the first time of using slow train.
No, it's been so long in China actually, but after 7 years, I'm taking this
Slow train.
Yeah.
Why using slow train?
There was no flight, from Jinan, so I took a train to Shijiazhuang, and then I took this train.
Okay. So you are going to Guangzhou, right?
Yeah, I'm going to Guangzhou for business trip.
How long will you stay in Guangzhou?
Maybe for 2 days, and then I will go back to Jinan.
Okay.
最后几盒，抓紧抢购，抓紧抢购，全部优惠，全部优惠。来，美女。Hello， 买盒啊？你买一盒吗？
我不买。
为什么？
吃饱了。
Why？
吃 饱了。
吃饱了，来上班，最后一圈了啊！来上班啊！
便宜了。最后这一圈了啊！最后这一圈了，最后这一圈了。有热葱没一枚的啊！
Finally, we've arrived at our destination, which is Guangzhou City. We had a nice experience because the Chinese we met on the train, they were so friendly and the journey was so smooth. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to tell us where you are watching us from. And if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Bye.